Good afternoon, friends. My name is Chandra. I'm recording this video in Sydney, Australia, uh, just to share with you my experience of buying a gold ring with yellow Pukhraj or yellow sapphire from Shubha James. Uh, I shouldn't call it an unboxing video as such because it is actually a plastic satchel which I have received from through DHL from India from Shubha James. So it is all about the experience of buying this ring made with yellow pukhraj, receiving it, opening it, and see whether it meets my expectation and what I had been promised. Just to share a few things of about buying this ring and my experience. As you can imagine, being in Sydney in Australia, it is a little bit difficult to get or to find the real untreated, natural, unheated yellow sapphire for astrological purposes, for which I was going to buy this ring. I came across Shubha James and Prabhat Kumar from Shubha James, and we started communicating. And I'll share that video also. I'll just change um, the video and I'll show it on the screen that this is what I was communicating with him, and he shared this video of the yellow pukhraj, and I really liked it. And from there on, we decided to go ahead and buy that pukhraj and get it set into a ring. So I actually knew what I am buying, and he shared multiple videos of that stone, and we decided to make the ring in this pattern, which also was his suggestion actually. So from that point on, he made it so easy for me getting it done, sharing the pictures of the product that was made, sending it through DHL, and then receiving it within 4 days from India. So this is the package that I received. It is very inconspicuous, very simple plastic humble bag um, from DHL. A label in front of it here declaring the value and what artifacts are being sent through that bag for customs purposes. So I have got a couple of tools here to open this bag, and then also I have got a loop or 10 times magnifying lens here so that I can actually check the quality of the gemstone that I have received. So let's open it. Let's see what we have got in this bag. So that's the bag. It's sealed. Let me cut it open. It's normal DHL bag. Let's open it and see what we find inside. I won't be surprised about the ring because I have already seen it on the video. Prabhat had shared all the videos and pictures of the ring and the real product. So let's see if the real product matches what had been sent on the video. So this is what I received inside that packet on my address. And it is coming from Mr. Prabhat Kumar of Shubha James. It's a simple paper envelope with sticky tape all around it. I'm going to find out where to open this without damaging anything inside. Looks like there is some paperwork and maybe a box or something inside. So let me use my small blade and cut open in this corner here. Lot of tape around. It's a simple envelope, nothing too flashy to attract any attention. Looks like we have a small package and some paperwork here. So let me check the paperwork first. Looks like it is the original certification from IGI GTL about the gemstone. Here it is. It's the original certificate of the yellow sapphire, natural yellow sapphire that I had bought. It says variety of corundum, and it is unmounted as it was promised. It is 5.24 carats. It is transparent, and there is no indication of heating is observed in this. And actually that QR code here, if I scan that QR code, it straight away goes into IGI GTL website and then confirms that it is the original certificate with the certificate number listed here. I had already received a copy of this certificate on WhatsApp, and I had confirmed that this certificate is original. So that's fantastic proof of purchase and proof of authenticity of the gemstone that I have purchased. It's a very high value purchase, so having something like this gives you the confidence of the product that you are getting. This envelope is now empty. This satchel, DHL satchel, is empty. I'll keep that aside, and let's open the actual small box here. I'm just going to cut open the packing. I'm excited. Not going to hide my excitement. Lay my hands onto the real ring. So it's a simple small box, small plastic box. There is some sort of shiny paper wrap inside. I still don't see the ring, so let's open this. Looks like there is a small cellophane bag inside. Let's open that bag. And inside there is a ring wrapped in this paper. And then there are a couple of, I think these are spacers that are used for adjusting the ring size. I had given my ring size as 25 ring size for Indian standard. So let's open this wrapping and let's lay our hands onto this ring. Look at this. What a beauty. Look at the luster and shine on that Pukhraj. It is very nicely made, handmade ring in 18 karat gold. Completely natural, untreated, unheated yellow Pukhraj or yellow sapphire. Nice clarity, nice shine, nice luster. And it is exactly the same ring of which Prabhat had sent me the videos and pictures of. However, this is the first time I'm laying my hands on this product or on this ring, which was made purposely for me. Let me see if it fits okay. This is to be worn on right index finger, and I feel it is absolutely perfect fit. It is not loose at all. It fits very nicely, very comfortable, and looks absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to have a quick look at the Pukhraj also, because there were a couple of small inclusions I expect to see in this Pukhraj, as it is natural, untreated. This is into 10 magnifying lens. So I'm just going to have a look at the stone. Wow, this is beautiful. The light shining through it, the sparkle in it. I can see a couple of small feathers in the stone, which you will expect for a natural Pukhraj. There is a small inclusion in the ring in one extreme edge. On the surface it is absolutely shiny and clean and plain, but there is a small dot of inclusion inside, and there are one or two feathers inside, which confirms that this yellow sapphire is absolutely genuine. Has a fantastic shine on it. Really happy with my purchase. I'm not going to wear this ring straight away. It is Saturday today. I'll recite some mantras and do a proper purification of this ring and wear it on Thursday, which is still during Navratri. See the luster, see the shine, and the refraction of light through that Pukhraj. Really very happy. And this is what counts when you're buying something of high value: the trust, the authenticity, the genuine product, and keeping of the word. Whatever I was promised by Shubha James and their team has been delivered right up to the point. There is no gap in what they promised and what has been delivered. Thank you, Shubha James. Thank you, Prabhat. I really appreciate it. Thank you.